Hi mates, gather round. If you haven't experienced the magic of a Holden Commodore, now's the time, that's right. The legendary Holden Commodore. This isn't just a car, it's a way of life. See this beauty? The Holden Commodore is the backbone of our great land. Whether you're hitting the open road or just popping down to the shops, the Holden Commodore gets you there in style and comfort. There's nothing quite like the feeling of driving a spacious interior. You want reliability? The Holden Commodore delivers. You want performance? The Holden Commodore has power to speed. It's not just transportation, it's a Holden Commodore experience. Holden Commodore, fast car, vroom vroom, good. Big engine, zoom zoom, great. Cool ride, beep beep, awesome. Speedy wheels, go fun. Strong car, roar roar, nice. So what are you waiting for? Quick drive. The Holden Commodore, the Bolden Drummer, the Golden Llama Core, the Molden Karma 4, the Folden Lamador, the Tolden Lamador, the Skolden Commodore, the Walden Commodore, the Holden Karma 4, the Holden Karma 4, the Holden Karma 4, the Holden Commodore, the Bolden Commodore, the Holden Commodore, the Golden Commodore, the Holden Llama Core, the Holden Commodore, the Holden Commodore, the Holden Commodore, the Holden Comma 4, the Holden Comma 4, the Holden Llama More. It's all about the legendary ride, the one and only Holden. Subscribe, mate, can I say, mate, subscribe and like, mate, come on, mate, subscribe all in my little limible, mate, VRO. Alright now, yeah, oh, Paul.